going to unbox many team set. So excited! Let's open it.
Okay.
It's a tank.
That's a tank?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
And?
a tank.
Mm-hmm.
And we have giant army tank.
Yay!
And we have the anti-aircraft.
What is that?
Anti-aircraft.
Anti-aircraft?
Another anti-aircraft.
That's a big one?
Yeah, that's a big one anti-aircraft. About another anti-aircraft. It's a smaller anti-aircraft.
Okay. Mm-hmm. What is this?
That's the army's bus.
Okay.
And we have the bazookas.
What is that?
Bazooka.
Okay.
Bazooka is cool.
And?
And we have the flamethrower.
What's that?
Flamethrower.
Okay.
And we have the army.
Okay.
And there's a handgun. And there's a phone.
Okay. Handgun and phone.
Yeah. And we have the general officer.
General officer.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have the army.
Yay!
And there's a helicopter.
Wow.
And we have the another bomber army. Another vehicle. And we have the two bombs. And that's a missile.
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 Okay.
And we have the army's van.
Army's van.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have the army school bus.
Army school bus.
Yeah. And we have the bus.
Okay.
We have the chopper.
Okay.
It's really big.
Okay.
Got two sides. And we have the fire jet.
Fire jet. Wow. Show me.
Vroom.
Okay.
And we have the scooty.
Scooty.
Yeah.
It's a bike.
Bike. That's too small.
That's too small.
Yeah. We have the machine gunners.
Machine gunners.
Yeah.
Okay. Show me. Okay.
Please like and subscribe my channel, NaughtyNalin. Hit that subscribe button.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, NaughtyNalin.